Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to renew your hosting in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course for free inside my university. Inside this Namecheap course, you'll learn lots of things including how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website, how to handle your email account, and also how to optimize your website performance inside Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To sign up for my university for free today, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. To renew your hosting in Namecheap, just go to hosting list, and next to your hosting subscription you want to renew, you will see renew instead of go to cPanel. I see go to cPanel just because this account is still new. It will be like that. This is the renew button you should click on. After you click on it, you will be redirected to this page to confirm your order. Click on confirm order on the right or on the left. You will see this page that will let you choose your payment method. After selecting your desired payment method, click on continue. And in this page, you will see your order details. Make sure everything is okay. And after it, click on pay now. And this is how to renew your hosting in Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.